Yeah. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this channel. I welcome you wherever you're watching. This morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time. I welcome you once again. Here's another opportunity for us to learn something great about our WhatsApp. Yes, we all know that this smartphone creativity up. Yeah, where actually all you need to know about your smartphone, how useful your smartphone, and major so many features that your smartphones have which you are not aware of. So right about now in this particular video I am going to be showing you how to secure your WhatsApp. Yeah, there's been some videos, some trends right now over where we have issues of people being uh, their WhatsApp being hijacked or scammed off. Yeah, so there are some things that you can set up to avoid such circumstances or situation, but there are these unless you follow these steps I'm going to be showing you right now. So if you're able to follow up with these steps, then I can guarantee you on that. But if you don't stay to the end, you'll not be able to get this. So let's get started right now. So right now, as you can see right here in my WhatsApp, whether what if you like, you can use your business WhatsApp, you can use your main WhatsApp. They are all the same. So right now, I'm going to be setting up the security. Now you see at the top corner here, is a security notification change number. All right. You also have block contacts, disappear messages, create, edit profile photos. I also have manage people and groups. You have chats and so on. Have notifications. You have storages. You have accessibility. You have so on and so forth under MetaMask. Okay. So, but those are not what I'm going to be talking about right now. What I'm going to be focusing right now is on account security notification. Okay, account security notification. Now, first of all, what you do when you come to your WhatsApp settings after clicking your WhatsApp, you click on the three dots at the top corner to bring you to this particular interface. You click on account settings. Now, under the account settings, you're going to see this drop down actually. You have security notifications, we have passkeys, we have email address, we have two-step verification, we have change number, we have request account, we have add accounts and delete. Now I'm going to talk on them step by step. All right. Now I'm going to make sure that this video wouldn't be as long as much as that. It's going to be smart, brief, and straight. All right. So what we're going to talk right now is security notification number one. Security notification. Now we click on security notification. You're going to see this pop up right now. Now, so your chats and calls are private. That's normal thing on WhatsApp. It's encrypted, alright? So where the word end-to-end encryption means they are just between your WhatsApp and another WhatsApp. Now your text and voices are encrypted. Your audio and video calls are encrypted. Photos, videos, documents, location, whatever, all the stuffs, they're all encrypted. Now we'll talk about the security notification. It says show security notification on this device. Okay, so when your security code changes for a contact phone, okay, you'll get notified. There are sometimes hear from people just says that their WhatsApp just disappeared. They never knew what happened to it. They cannot tell how it all happened. Yes, it's because this particular toggle here is put off. Right now, I decided to use this as a very clean example so we can understand how it works. Yeah, so what I'll do right here now, I'm going to click on it to power it on. So what this indicates is that when to always bring a notification when our security code changes for a contact phone, okay, in our end-to-end encrypted chat. If you have multiple devices, this settings must be enabled to each on each device where you want to get notification, right? So anytime there is need for notification pop-up, it will notify you on your WhatsApp. Now remember, this is all based on you clicking this thought here. Okay, you have to set it on if you want that to happen. Yeah, if you don't put it on, it cannot happen. That's just on the notification aspect of it. So there are some people that will say on their WhatsApp they got a pop-up notification saying, okay, accept this code, your WhatsApp, you need to change it, or you are applying to change your WhatsApp. Then they are always advised to deactivate. I always tell people don't allow that, don't activate that, don't accept it, as long as you are not the one that initiated that exchange of contact on your phone or whatever, because of the scam aspect of it. Okay, so make sure whatever you're accepting on your device, on your phone, is something that is prompted by you as a user of that particular phone. That is the purpose of this notification right here. Okay, so now I'll move on to another notification right now. Now we talk about passkeys. Yeah, passkeys. Okay, right now you can see when you click on the passkeys, you're going to see this. You're going to see log in surely and protect your account. Now create a passkey. Passkeys are just like passphrase. Now for those that deal with crypto stuff, that do with digital currencies, they have what's called passkeys, so they'll understand better what passkeys. But for the sake of those that don't really understand what that is, it's another way of securing your digital tools. Okay, your WhatsApp, your device. Okay, now say create a passkey for a secure, easy way to log in. It's another option. Now you can also use your face ID to secure your phone. You can use fingerprint as well, but right now we're using specifically passkeys. Now log into WhatsApp with your face, fingerprint, or screen, like I said. Your passkey is stored safely in your password manager. So if you want to activate the passkeys, just click on create passkey and it's going to generate for you. Alright, so when you see turn on, you can see it here because I didn't put it on here. So this is for tutorial purpose, so I have to make sure everything is off, and for the sake of those that are new to this particular WhatsApp settings, right? So when you come to your WhatsApp and you've not set any of these security options, they will be the way you met them, where I just showed you. Now first of all, you click on the turn on. Right, when you turn it on, we're going to see what's next gonna pop up. So I say for extra security, turn on two-step verification. All right, for extra security. So all these measures are just to increase the security patterns of your WhatsApp. All right, which will require a pin when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. So even if another person tries to hack your WhatsApp or eventually succeeds, or probably tries to log in into another WhatsApp, it will ask you for the two-step verification pin, and this pin must be known to you. All right, ensure that you don't forget your pin. I can tell you that's a serious matter. Alright, so make sure you get hold of your pin. You can jot it down somewhere, you can take note of it, you can make it something that you can remember often, at ease, at any time. Because one thing about this two-step verification, it can pop up at any time. Yes, this is different from other pop-ups. Okay, now for the other notification pop-up, it should just tell you, are you the one that started this process, to advise for the ones that are not genuine, so you deactivate those ones. Okay, now when you want to see this two-step verification pop-up, it will come up with 6 digits columns where you have to fill. All right, you need to fill those 6 columns by with the codes or pin that you have already set in this two-step verification process. All right, so now what happens is that when it pops up, ensure that you remember the pins so you can fix it in and you can log into your WhatsApp. So anybody that picks your WhatsApp and doesn't know these pins will not be able to access that. That is the if work of two-step verification. So let's go on now. Right now, let's turn it on. Now you can see, like I said, create a 6-digit pin that you can remember. Take note of this word, that you can remember. Now the reason why if you can remember is emphasized, because if you don't remember it, there is no way you can log into your WhatsApp. I'm begging you, please, if you watch this video to this point and you want to secure your WhatsApp, make sure you secure your pin, and make sure that pin is a pin that you cannot forget, so that you will not lose your WhatsApp. Okay, so I can just put a pin. I don't follow this pin I just put. Okay, so I just did it for example, but I can deactivate it. Okay, it can be deactivated, sure, but that's if you already know the pin, and that is if it's you Alright, so but as long as for this purpose of security reasons, ensure it is being on and placed so that you can secure it. Okay, so when I click on it, I'll click on save. It's applying the settings. Alright, so it just asks me now to add email in case I forget the pin. Now this is the reason for that email. If you have the email, you can request for resetting. That's an improvement on WhatsApp. Yes, before it wasn't there, but I think right now they've improved on this to make sure that people don't complain of losing their WhatsApp, because before, if you miss that digit, your WhatsApp is gone. But now you need to add an email to be able to help you recover the WhatsApp, even if you forgot your pin. So if you want to do that, you click on the add email, proceed with adding your email, you log into your email, you add it up, and successful. But right now I'm not going to be going through those long processes because I don't want this video to be too long, like I said. So I'll skip. If you don't add an email address and you forgot your pin, you will be able to re-register your phone number with WhatsApp. So you just can see that's what I said. So that's what it is. So I remember my pin, and so on. Two-step verification is on. You will need to enter your pin if you register your phone number or WhatsApp again. So here you have it. We have turn off, we have change pin, and add a recovery email. So I will leave it in that. This is where you have to. Okay, so you click on the passkeys and it's going to pop up with this. When you click on continue, this passkey will be your WhatsApp number. So the particular passkey that you're going to put here is going to be your passkey. Okay, so from there you're going to activate the rest. Okay, let me just click on that, and you can actually also deactivate it. Okay, you can deactivate it. Okay, so you say passkey activated. Manage your passkey, access WhatsApp the same way you unlock your phone with your fingerprint face. Okay, your passkey gives you a secure and easy way to log back into your account, just like I said. Now you can also deactivate it. That's the good thing. Now if you want to deactivate it, you say this will be used to verify your account. You can delete if you want to use the other pattern. Now you can only use one by one, or you can decide to use more than one, but ensure you are aware of what you are doing. Now when I say you are aware of what you are doing, don't forget your pass keys, don't forget your notifications are being on. Alright, so that whenever it pops up, you are conscious to whatever you're doing. Okay, so now you see, if you delete this passkey, you will be able to use it to log into your account. If you decide to delete, be sure to also delete the passkey from your device password manager. But always take note of your passkeys if you want to leave it. Okay, so that when you are being asked, if you are not able to get the correct passkeys, then you'll be assumed as a strange person. Okay, that's the word stranger on it. Okay, so let's get back. So let's get back to another one. I'll just delete this so it will not intrude with others. So just like I said, you can see it's been deleted. So let's go back to the other one. Like I said, I'm not going to make this video too long because there's a key point I'm going to head into, and as soon as I get there, I'll probably make this video another video. Okay, so it will be part 2 of it. Now the next one we can use is our email address. Okay, add email to protect your account. Now verify your account even without XMS. Email helps us to reach you in case of security or support issues. Your email address won't be visible to others. Now this is another way to secure WhatsApp. You can use your WhatsApp connected with your email to verify your account without SMS. Sometimes they'll ask you for XMS code. They're going to send you a message on your phone, and you see those codes. That's another major bit. And right now they've also improved on the WhatsApp by using emails. Now the advantage about emails is that wherever you try to use your WhatsApp or get your WhatsApp, you can be able to use your email linked to that particular WhatsApp and get your WhatsApp. Okay, you can also help yourself to reach out to their customer or security uh, personnel whenever any issues arises on or about your WhatsApp. All right, so that's another benefit about the email uh protection pattern on your WhatsApp. But right now we are going to the key step, which is two-step verification. So if you have stayed to this point, congratulations. and this is where we have been heading to. So this is where I'm going to pause the day here. For in the next video, I'll talk more on the other aspects of the WhatsApp new event and what we need to do. So if you have not clicked on the subscribe button, make sure you click on the subscribe button right now. It's free, okay? Click on that so that I'll know that you're already benefiting from this video and other people can benefit as well. So once again, I say thank you for staying to this point. Now this is where the key point goes in. All right, so two-step verification, let's click on that. Now we'll click on two-step verification. This is what we're going to see. We have it at this point. You can see turn off, change pin, add the recovery email. So and I think that's where I'll leave this part one video for this particular section. So don't forget to subscribe so that when I upload the second part of this video, you'll be able to get it, because I don't want this video to be too long. I know it's already long, but let it not be longer than this. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget once again, subscribe, be the best you can be. See you later. Thank you.